Here we are with an unboxing and demonstration of the Feligan Universal Multi-Charger, or Powerbrick as it's otherwise known. So as you can sort of see from the image here, what this is a universal charging solution for all your electronic gadgets. You just connect one power cable to this, the Powerbrick, and then you connect all your electronic devices to this to keep them charged and powered. It's designed to make things a little bit easier in your life. They talk about innovation, quality and simplicity, and then we've got a image depicting the sort of setup you might have with this. Now this isn't the final retail packaging, this is just some sample packaging we've got here, but you get the idea about the product. Now let's take a look. So in the box we've been provided with a UK 3-pin mains adapter, and then we've got this sort of connection here that goes into the back of the Powerbrick. You've then got the Powerbrick itself, which we'll come back to in a moment, and then under some packaging we've got some documentation with a very quick sort of user guide, and then some operating instructions in Italian and English, because this is designed and made in Italy. So let's take a look at the Powerbrick itself. So here it is. It's big. It's not particularly pretty either, I'm not going to lie about that. However, what it is a practical solution for charging all your electronic equipment. So in terms of size, here's an HTC One X. You're talking about roughly nearly 2 times the length of that. In terms of height, well, it's about 2/3 the height of a One X. So yes, it's quite big, it's chunky, it's black, and it's got a bit of a presence about it. Quite plasticky. Let's start on the bottom. We've got 4 rubber feet to keep it still on a desktop. We've got sort of venting here for heat and around the power. On the back we've got the connection for the power cable. We've just got a sticker with some information about the power supply. We've got a fuse under here as well. We can see that it's all certified here as safe. On the side we've got a QR code, interestingly, to take us to the Feligan website. On the other side there's nothing. On the front we have a multitude of things. We've got a sticker with the branding on it. We've got 2 USB ports for charging devices. This is an LED notification light, and then we've got 2 sort of universal power adapters here, so you can connect a 3-pin mains adapter. You can also connect in European adapters into that. So it's quite universal in terms of connection. And then what we have here on the top is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different connectors. Now these are all customizable when you actually order it. So we've got 2 sort of Apple connectors here. We've then got 2 micro USBs, and we've then got another micro USB and a mini USB. And all of these are on retractable cables. So you can pull them out to the length that you desire. Of course there is a upper limit to them, but when you actually pull them out, not that you can see this in this shot, but I can confirm to you that the cable isn't the same length on all of them. So the Apple ones here are shorter in terms of length, and that's beneficial because when you've got multiple devices connected up to this, it's easier to actually control the position and where they rest in relation to the Powerbrick. So let's get this connected and show it in use. Okay, so we've connected this to the power now. We've got the power coming in, and you can see what we've done is we've connected a multitude of devices. So we had 2 micro USB connections, and I've got an HTC One X and a Sony Xperia S connected, and you should hopefully be able to see you've got a charging light there. You've also got a charging light here on the HTC One X, so you've got those on the micro USB connections. At the front we've got the USB port, and to that I've connected a Sony Xperia P, and that is charging as well from this port, as you can see from the little light here. And then what I've also done is into one of the plug connections I've connected a charger for a camera, and I can put my battery in there to charge. We've got the LED notification light to say it's powered, and it sounds a bit daft, but what they have been clever here is with the 3-pin plugs is that it's upside down to what we'd be used to. But what that means is that you can connect these in, and you don't have the problem with cables on the desktop there. They're going up into the air, as it were, and there's going to be no problems connecting up power supplies. So if you're a family, or you've got office where you've got a whole multitude of different devices that need charging on a daily basis, this could be a fantastic accessory. It doesn't look exciting, I'm not going to lie, it's not going to win any design awards, but what it does do is offers a very practical solution to a very common problem. And most of us have a room where perhaps, you know, we've got a home phone or something, or our computer, and this could be a useful accessory to go buy it to just charge all your different devices in one place. You've just got one power cable and it all sort of sits there. You could even perhaps hide it away in a cupboard if you wanted, as long as you get the power in there because of the way it looks. So whilst I'm not overly keen on the actual design element of it, I think it's a very functional product, and I can see benefits for this in the Clove office when we're testing a whole multitude of devices. We're forever charging devices up and trying to find free plug sockets, and this would actually solve some of our problems. So there it is, that is the Powerbirck from Feligan. Be sure to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/Clove Technology, and of course check out our website, www.clove.co.uk.